Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now using promo code QZZ2J.
Now, Jessica, we know each other.
We do. Yeah. It's been a few years. How you
been?
Yes,
welcome to the Gadget Professor show on CES.
Good to see you.
I've been great. You've been great, too. You look wonderful as usual.
Thank you.
And you're here to tell us a little bit about MTG.
Yes. So.
Fire away.
So let me turn this around. I don't know if the camera can see it.
Let's put this right here.
Right, so I am here today with MTG and ReFa. ReFa has developed the first ever AI app that helps stylists determine the proper recipe for color production, color hair production in the salon.
You need to talk to Miss Enza because she's always coloring her hair.
Sure, yeah. So this would be the perfect tool for any stylist. Basically, the way it works is you take two photos. First, a photo of your hair, of your client's hair.
Right.
And then you have a goal color. So you can either choose from the catalog of product colors that are in the app already, or maybe you see
Now, the app is on your smartphone?
It's a smartphone app.
And you could see in color?
Yes.
Is your eye going to discern that this is really gold or red opposed to this lighter red or darker red? Is it noticeably different? Okay.
Yeah. So the way you take a photo of anyone's hair, right? So if you wanted hot pink hair,
I just like any hair. I don't care whether it's pink, yellow. I just I need hair.
Right. So the way that it works is you would take it and the AI would analyze your hair color. You would answer the questionnaire, right? If the client has had black box dye in their hair, you would indicate that. That would say, because that affects the whole dye process after that, right?
Right.
You would say if you've done a chemical straightening treatment, and that also can affect color and processing time.
Right.
The whole goal of this is so that you can have a consistent color, you can have a consistent formula, so you're not having mixed results. It's a very good tool for young colorists and stylists.
So you can replicate it time and time again.
Correct.
So it's accurate.
Yes. And you can save the profile of your client, your customer, and allow them to, when you come back, I really liked that pink last time. I want to go a little dark, a little lighter. You're able to adjust based on it.
That's crazy.
It's really cool. So, MTG and ReFa have partnered with Fabio on this to create this, and some of the top stylists in Japan, top colorists in Japan, Shoki, he has provided his knowledge and his information in order to...
Oh, okay, so you could lock in on...
Right, so we have professional influence on all of the work that went into this app. So right now, currently, the app has 9 different Japanese brand dye colors and bleaches that it pulls information from. Just on the demo that we have at the Venetian Expo, if you guys want to come and visit. So we have that set up right now. But you can actually upload any professional salon style dye to the...
Are there people here in the United States that are using this now?
Not yet.
Why not?
We are locking in on Japan first, and then we'll be expanding globally.
Why Japan? I'm just curious.
It's a Japanese company. MTG is based in Japan.
Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah. So I have a little bit here. This is just a photo.
Yeah, they can see that perfectly clear. Yeah.
The way it would work is you would get your formula, right? So you take the photo. You say, okay, Dawn wants hot pink hair. So the app would then say, okay, well, you're going to need one process of bleach, and then for 20 minutes or 15 minutes or whatever it is, based on a specific brand that you're using in the app.
That's pretty clever.
It's really clever. And then it would say, okay, now to get your hot pink hair, you need to add some of this pink dye for X amount of time. And then when you come back to the salon in a few months, we would know exactly, what we used last time. It saves the customer profile.
Now, how is this stuff mixed? I mean, is it it's on the shelf that they go in, or they?
Yeah, so it's a salon, right?
I don't know.
It's not for at-home
It's
use
strictly
yet.
for professional.
Right, so they know how to use it already.
Okay.
This just helps them be more accurate. And it's really good for, like I said, young, just starting out stylists and colorists, because, it takes a lot of time to learn those skills, to know, if you have 20 years of experience, you can say, I know exactly how much of this I need to put in here. But if you're relatively new and you're playing with bleach and hot colors for people's hair, you want to be able to have, some institutional knowledge in there that will help you provide a nice result.
I could see how this would certainly increase sales.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a really big thing globally. I'm
How
really
long
excited
till
for
it comes here?
That is
Just
a good
take
question.
a guess.
Oh, I'm not sure. We'll
Good
ask
answer.
the Japan team,
Good answer.
and we'll get back to you guys on that.
Good answer.
Yeah, and I have a cute little thing here. You can kind of see some of the color things that we have going on.
Yep, they can
You
see
can see it
fine.
over here?
Yep,
Yep.
perfectly fine.
And you guys can come visit us at the Venetian Expo.
Okay.
We are at booth 53962. So
Okay.
if anyone's watching and wants to come hang out with us,
There
we
you go.
have the live demo over there. The Wi-Fi's interesting. So
What
okay
happens
with
if
this.
people are not here, and there's a lot of people that aren't here? Can they go to your website and
Absolutely,
see this?
yeah.
Okay.
So
What's your website?
It is mtg.jp. I'll share it with you, and we can put it in here.
Okay.
I'll get that in a second.
Okay.
But it's on the MTG and the ReFa website.
And what can they see on that? Can they actually see the app, or how
Yeah,
it works and
we
how
have
it
a
goes
landing
about?
page. We have a landing page, and it's right here on this QR code. I don't know if you can even zoom in on it, but we'll get that out to
Okay, no
everybody.
problem.
Yeah, absolutely.
No, I want people to
Yeah,
be
yeah,
able
yeah.
at their home to see it.
Yeah, so it is, if you type in ReFa AI Color Recipe Pro, it should show up, and our landing page for CES should be there.
Pretty awesome stuff.
Yeah.
Pretty awesome stuff.
Thank you.
Now, why are you here at CES? What do you expect to accomplish here? Are you going to be meeting people or getting some synergy with other companies? What?
Yeah,
I always ask, what are you trying to do
What
at
are we
CES?
doing here?
Yeah.
Yeah, we are looking to meet anyone that's interested in learning more about the technology. You know, the amount of work that went into creating this is
I can
years
only
of work.
imagine.
So we really wanted to just showcase what we've accomplished with this, and set the tone for
course.
as we grow globally, and let people know who we are, what we're up to, and the next big thing in hair.
I think it's pretty awesome, and I could see other uses for this down the road. My
Absolutely,
Yeah.
yeah. I think
very innovative.
it's really exciting. I'm really happy to be here with MTG and ReFa. I think it's going to be a really big
I'm happy
thing
to
in the
have you here.
industry.
I'm always happy to see
I'm
you.
happy to see you too.
Yeah.
This
Now,
is so nice.
Quick question.
Yeah.
The company, you said there were about 17 places in Japan that have this-ish?
Yeah, there's salons in Japan that are using the
Now,
technology.
have they noticed an increase in sales or customers? Do you know?
That's I will have to ask about that. I am
I'm
not
very
100%
curious
sure.
to
Yeah.
know. Because I think it's a big
It
big draw.
We have had a lot of excitement from stylists and colorists.
Yeah.
Because to them, it allows them to be a better service provider, right? If someone knows, I'm going to go to her because she is the absolute best.
Exactly.
And do I have the exact data on increase in sales? No, but I can assume that it's helping people grow their business and their clientele, because you know what you're going to get when you walk in that door.
That's
So.
great. Well, the company can't have a better spokesperson
Aw,
than you.
thanks, Don.
Thank you so much for coming in. I
you,
appreciate it a lot.
everybody.
And hopefully I'll try to stop by your booth.
Oh yeah, please do.
And if
We
you
can't wait
can
to
do
see
anything with my hair, that would be greatly
We
appreciated.
have the pros there. We have Shoki, and we have
I
some
need
of the
more
pros.
than a pro.
So.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I enjoyed the interview very much.
Thank you.
The Tech Podcast Network's CES 2026 coverage is executive produced by Adam Barker. Technical director is Ravin Ford. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Brandy Jackson, and Beth Price. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, Scott Ertz, and Serge Velasquez. Graphic design by Vicky Gonzalez. Executive producer emeritus Todd Cochran. Award production is provided by Amrock Fab Lab. Studio equipment is provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production, copyright 2026.